Good day, traders. This day, we will be trading expert option with Bitcoin. I am using the crypto signal indicator. As you can see, I get positive trades by only using the crypto signal indicator. The crypto signal indicator helps traders find good spot to place a trade by providing traders a pop-up signal from the Metatrader 4. We have updated the indicator to perform well when it comes in trading with major cryptocurrencies. Its algorithm focuses on the Bitcoin, which was the mother of all crypto. No need to change anything on the perimeters. It is just plug and play. The indicator generates two types of signals, the minor signal and the strong signal. The minor signal is just for the experimental and is not essential to use. It detects the Bitcoin progressive bars for 3 months and is based for short trading durations. While the strong signal, it states that the Bitcoin has a higher chance to get a reverse for the next minutes. Okay, we got minor sell or exit buy. Let's go trade lower. It states that the Bitcoin has a higher chance to get a reverse for the next minutes. Okay, we got a minor sell or exit buy. Let's go trade for lower. It also alerts us with strong sell. Let us wait for it. We got a good trading result. We got a strong buy alert from Metatrader. Let's execute our trade. Good trading strategy. Amazing. Like and subscribe with us to get another expert option strategy that will help you achieve your trading goals. See the rest of the video on how to trade by using the crypto signal indicator.